So guys, I'm about to make, well, y'all could see what I'm about to make. But I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. I'm about to make ackee and saltfish. First I boiled the saltfish like 2 times because it's too salty. Should I use all that? All this ackee. I think I need all of it for the shrimp. So I'm gonna use all of it. Come with me. Yeah, see? Wasn't even much. Frozen ackee, which is cooked already. So all I gotta do is cook it up with the saltfish and season it. It's cooked already. You gotta cook it again. Dang, that's a lot. Look at all that ackee. Thanks to my mama. Alright, let me make my flour. Oh, I'm cooking ackee and saltfish with dumpling and banana. So I'm to get my hands dirty. So y'all can see it. Just keep adding water until it comes together like a dough. Yeah, until it comes together. Like this. It's coming together. There you go. Cover this up. Put it to the side. Second time I'm boiling this saltfish because you have to boil it more than once because it's very salty unless you're trying to get high blood pressure. I'm not, so I boil it like 2 times. And baby girl over here is ready. She almost ready. So I'm trying to put the dumplings. It's going down. Perfect dumplings, but decent, you know? Decent looking. My aunt used to make fun of my dumplings. She'd be like, "Girl, why them so big?" I'm like, they're not big. Compared to hers, when I used to cook and send her a picture or a video of my food on WhatsApp, she'd be like, she'd be like, "Y'all, why they so big?" You always make fun of my dumplings, yo. And then, and then when she see how big they are, and then she gonna say, "How much I eat?" She and my mom used to say the same thing when I used to send them. I'm like, it's not big. No. When I make my dumplings, it's decent size, and I be having 3 of them. Sometimes 4. It depends if I like how long I ain't eat yet. Like depends if I'm eating for the first day. I mean like 4 dumplings. Like, I mean if that's my first meal for the day. I mean like 4 low key, 4, 5 dumplings plus banana. I'm not even lying. I miss my auntie. Rest in peace to my auntie. She's makes so much fun of my dumplings, yo. My dumplings is in the back. Let me see if I can use all this coconut oil. I love me some coconut oil. Not even more. I think that's enough. That's good enough. Yep. And this over here too, she ready. She almost ready, I should say. But yeah. Mmm. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the saltfish. Love this taste of coconut oil with food. Add it in there. I'm gonna add all of it. Or not, but I'm gonna add all of it. Honestly. Add some black pepper. Some more black pepper in there. All of that. Mmm. The dumplings, the food is ready. The dumplings are ready. Be ready. This is finished. I can turn this off right now. Dumplings. Almost finished. Finished, guys.